Help! I'm in jail. I created my own jail. Oh, no, wait. This is just Grandpa's magazine rack. It's all finished, put back together beautifully. Was not a crazy difficult project, but it's a crazy beautiful project. Kept everything original on it, just the way Grandpa did it. Was able to glue some wood pieces together, get some nails in the end. Those weren't in there, we just added that to it. Grandpa's magazine rack is done. I can't believe it. What a wonderful, wonderful project, and what a great story to tell.